my gosh. Oh my gosh. She getting held hostage.
Get the hell out! Get out! Get out!
Oh,
You know a key?
is that Spanish? I thought it's Spanish. I said, oh, yeah, ¿cómo está? She said, Canadian. This is the secret recipe in Grazing Canes.
And I live in enough. This blunt, I'm taking a puff. I'm stuck, don't feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know.
Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're playing Resident Evil 4 Chain Tool Demo. So don't ask if I'm playing this game again. It's my channel, I'll do what I want. If you want to see part 2, you can get 5 likes in the video. Let's get straight into it. Capcom presents.
1998. It's a day I'll never forget.
Damn.
The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out. Thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Oh, you're talking about Resident Evil 4. I mean, Resident Evil 2. This is Resident Evil 4. You're talking about Resident Evil 2.
Later, to join a top secret government program.
Look at my boy Leon Scott. Leon Scott.
Punishing missions. Nearly killed me.
Ooh.
But at least I kept my mind off
Ooh.
everything.
Pink.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain.
That's Marvin from Resident Evil 2.
This time, it can be different.
No.
It has to.
No. Damn. That's sad. It's been 6 years. I'm not reading all that. What is that? This is the secret recipe in Grazing Canes. You hear the zombies? Cutscene. Ugh! Who is that?
Sorry to barge in like this.
Hello? Are you a human?
Busco a un policía.
Oh,
Do you know a key?
is that Spanish? I thought it's Spanish. I said, oh yeah, ¿cómo está? She said, Canadian. Who's that? Is that the guy that was just sounding like this? Is that the guy that's over there? Leon! Oh! Come on, Leon. Hey. That's... Oh! Did you see the way he kicked? He said some. You guys hear that side kick to the neck? He's like a... He's like... Who starts screaming? Give me that key.
Not good.
That's Resident Evil 7 cooking. What are you talking about?
Hey!
Why is he saying hey and putting a gun to someone that's on the floor? Is this guy dumb? Ew.
I read you.
What's happening? Oh yeah, he dead. He dead. He dead. Come on, try me. Neck.
Fucking way.
Get off me. In your neck again.
It just keeps getting worse.
Cutscene. My boy Leon's cooking. You looking clean. You looking smooth. I'm good. I'm glazing. Let me stop. I'm literally glazing. She getting held hostage.
Get the hell out! Get out! Get out!
Yeah.
This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Who's that? Hello.
Likely she's in this village.
Hello.
Intel was correct then. Well done.
Thank you.
Found a nearby lake.
This is Brie, by the way.
May have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Good.
Hurry up.
Damn. That's so weird to say. Hurry up.
My S-sponsor.
What is that? Yo. I'm cooked.
Talk later.
I'm not cooked. I'm Leon Scott Kennedy. What are you talking about? Come on.
Let myself out.
Weave. When I grow up, I want to be like Leon Scott.
I let myself out. Weave.
I let myself out. He weaved it, jumped out the window, and literally went like this like Spider-Man. He said something. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, us land. If he threw the axe, oh, head for the leg. Alright, bet. If this Bojangles having breaks, that's what I thought. Of course you're kicking it, Leon. Tell me why I'm not surprised. Pink. Come then. Someone else here? Pink. Reload. How are you not there? How did I miss? Get bone on your skull. Oh my gosh, get out. Good. Come on, pink. Oh, under. Give me that. Yeah, that's it. Now give me that, whatever that is. Some 10 bags of crack. Oh my gosh. Pink.
Here we go.
She got no skull. Her skull already said bye-bye. Get off me. Get off me. Get bone. On your arm. Fold it. Did your hair? Let's Grammy Mon. Let me kill Grammy Mon. Wait, no. In your neck. Get off me. Get off me. Get flipped over. Get flipped. Get. Come on. Pink. If I die. Well, guys, that'll be the end of Resident Evil 4.